promise of AI is everywhere, but so is the fear of another dot-com bubble. We saw stocks soar, then crash. The crucial question today is, are we standing on the edge of a speculative bubble or a foundational technological shift that will create the next generation of wealth? This isn't just hype. AI is delivering real-world efficiency across every industry, from medicine to manufacturing. But to win as an investor, you need to separate the revolution from the risky noise. Stick around. We'll break down the key sectors powering this AI gold rush and give you the 3 non-negotiable questions you must ask before investing. Welcome to Money Mind. Let's unlock your financial potential. Segment 1. The AI Foundation. Every revolution needs infrastructure. In the AI world, that means the companies providing the picks and shovels. This is often the less volatile way to play the trend, because they benefit regardless of which specific AI app wins. The silicon brains, semiconductors. AI models need specialized GPUs and processors for their immense computational demands. Look at the designers and manufacturers of these advanced chips. They are the core bottleneck of AI growth. Investor question: does the company have a sustainable technological lead and significant market share in high-growth AI chip segments? The digital mines, cloud and data centers. AI lives in the cloud. Cloud service providers and data center operators are the landlords of AI, renting out the necessary power and storage. Investor question: are they investing heavily in next-gen infrastructure? And what is their strategy for managing the massive energy demands of AI? Segment 2. AI applications, the intelligence layer. Enterprise software, healthcare scanning, etc. This is where the magic happens. AI integrated into software to solve real problems. The opportunities here are immense, but so is the competitive risk. Enterprise AI solutions. Companies using AI to drastically improve business operations, like customer service automation, supply chain optimization, and back-office efficiency. Their customers are other businesses. Investor question: is the AI solution a must-have or just a nice-to-have? What is their customer retention rate? Vertical-specific AI. AI tailored for deep niche industries, like drug discovery in healthcare or predictive maintenance in manufacturing. They need deep sector expertise to succeed. Investor question: how deep is their specific industry expertise? And how defensible or proprietary is their data and technology in that niche? Segment 3. Avoiding the bubble, the due diligence checklist. So, is it a bubble? It's nuanced. We see froth, yes, but unlike the pure speculation of the dot-com era, today's leaders often have strong fundamentals and clear revenue models. AI is a productivity shift, which tends to be more sustainable than simple hype. To protect your portfolio, ask these 3 critical questions about any AI investment. All Type 1. Does it have a clear moat? Is their technology easily copied, or do they have proprietary data, algorithms, or market dominance that makes them hard to displace? A real moat protects profits. What is the valuation versus growth? Even a great company is a bad investment if you overpay significantly. Compare their price-to-earnings or price-to-sales ratios against their projected growth rate and industry peers. High growth justifies high valuation, but only if that growth is sustainable. What are the unit economics? Can the company scale its AI solution profitably? Are they burning cash at an unsustainable rate? Or is there a clear path to generating free cash flow as they grow? Remember, a long-term perspective is key. There will be volatility, but the structural integration of AI into the global economy is an irreversible trend. Focus on quality, not just momentum. Don't let FOMO drive your decisions. The best way to navigate this environment is with diversification. Ensure your exposure includes foundational infrastructure, established applications, and perhaps a small, carefully researched allocation to emerging players. What are your thoughts on the AI boom? Are you investing in specific sectors or sticking to ETFs? Let me know your strategy in the comments below. If you found this guide valuable and want more insights to build your financial intelligence, hit that like and subscribe to MoneyMind and ring the notification bell.